Welcome to Fair Tutorial. Let's make this mechanical piece design in SolidWorks. We are in SolidWorks now. Go to the file, new, part, okay. So select the front plane, sketch, go to the circle and draw two circles. Go to the smart dimension and this dimension is 44 and this dimension is 30. Okay, then draw a line up to here, something like this, and okay. Go to the smart dimension and this dimension is 38 and this dimension is 15. Okay, smart dimension and this dimension is 32. Okay, and make this one 38 again. Redefine, go to the feature, extrude base, select like this, go to the mid plane, so 34 plus 7 plus 7, so it's 48 mm. Okay, and so select this portion, go to the reference plane, so 10 mm. Okay, so select this portion, sketch, select the center line, something like this, so select the line here again. Okay, so mirror entities, and okay, so smart dimension and this dimension is 54 and this dimension is 20 and this dimension is 34, this dimension is 6. So go to the feature, extrude base, so blind up to body, so this is okay, and we have to select mirror, so I'm using right plane and features to be mirror, so it's okay. No, it's okay. So select this portion, sketch, draw a circle here also and also here. So select both circle, make it equal, go to the smart dimension and this is 8 dial. The distance between these two circles is 48. Select the center line, something like this. So smart dimension, the distance from this end is, so 48 divided by 2, 24. Okay, so go to the fully defined sketch, calculate, and okay. So sketch is fully defined. Go to the feature, extrude cut, so it should be around 15. So it should be around 15 and okay. So select this portion, sketch, draw a circle here again, go to the smart dimension and this is 20. So go to the feature, extrude cut, so line to through, and okay. So our 3D model is ready. So go to the appearances and select the metal, so we use the steel, So I'm using this one, polish one, and multiply on the body. So I hope you like this tutorial. Please support my channel. You will get a lot regarding 3D modeling on this channel. Thank you for watching.